Hi, it's Cakeupchristen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kristen, and thank you so much for clicking on this video today. On this channel, I just like doing a bunch of makeup tutorials, product reviews, story times. I want to start doing fashion lookbooks, like outfit lookbooks, and I've just started filming these random ranting, venting type videos. I always have a lot going up in here, so I need to get it out somehow, and a lot of the time I just end up rambling about nothing, but yeah. So if you want to see more of that and more of me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join the cupcake family. That's so cheesy, but yeah. I had to put this cute ass unicorn in the video because look at it. Sorry if my voice is kind of raspy in this video. I'm a little sick, so yeah, excuse that. You guys, I think I'm a hopeless romantic. I really fucking do. I don't know if it's growing up watching all these Disney princess movies and seeing them get their Prince Charming after a fucking week. And even today, watching all these movies where the guy ends up chasing or fighting for the girl or realizing his mistakes and realizing how he should treat her, or realizing that she's the one. Like, it just makes me so frustrated watching these movies, because when I see someone chase a girl to the airport and he's all like spilling his emotions and shit, I'm like, that's not real. That does not happen. That shit is fake. I just get real mad because I'm like, where is that person in my life? When it comes to breakups, I always have this hope that we'll end up back together because I'm the one for him and he's the one for me, and he's gonna realize that he fucked up, or he's gonna realize that I'm worth so much more than he thought, or like all this fucking bullshit. Now, like, that I'm single and I'm like realizing what I want, I just like want someone who will chase me and put in the effort. Why does it feel like I'm always the one to put in all the effort? Why does it seem like everybody want to play these mind games nowadays? You know what I mean? Like, if you want to talk to me, then just fucking talk to me. Just text me. Just call me. Why does it have to be these people beating around the bush and hinting that they want to talk to me? Like, just fucking do it. Why does it seem like this generation wants everything of a relationship but doesn't want to make that commitment? Everybody wants to hold hands with someone. Everybody wants someone to cuddle at night with, to watch movies with, to talk about deep shit with, but then they don't want the title of a relationship. They don't want to commit to just one person. That's what makes it so frustrating. That's why I think I'm not gonna find someone for me, because everybody's a fucking waste of time nowadays. In the back of my mind, I still have this hope that I'm gonna meet my perfect person. He's just gonna know how to treat me straight off the bat. He's just gonna surprise me randomly. He's gonna come home to me and just wanna tell me shit about his day without me having to ask him. Take me to dinner every now and then. And you know what? That doesn't even seem like a lot to ask, right? No, it doesn't. But why does it seem like I can't get that? I see all these couples online, and I know these relationships are perfect, because no relationship is perfect, but the way that I'm reading when they post a super long ass caption and they're like posting about each other, and I'm just like, why does it seem like their relationship is so perfect and he's treating her so well, and yet I'm here and I'm getting all these fuckboys and shitty men who are just so ignorant, or they're just so ambitious and focused on themselves. They just don't want me, I guess, to be a distraction, which is bullshit, because why can't you just be real and say that you're not that into me? Because I feel like people who really fuck with you will fuck with you, you know what I mean? Like, they're gonna call you, they're gonna find time to hang out with you, to text you, to take you on these dates and all this shit. I believe that as a couple, you can grow. You can grow together. And yeah, it's important to focus on your goals and focus on your ambitions, and for each individual to grow themselves, but I also feel like you can grow together as a couple as well. And that's kind of what's frustrating, because all these guys I come across, I feel like they just fucking give up after a couple arguments. And like, it doesn't even make sense to me, because it's like, if you talk through your issues and you say, you know what, okay, I'm gonna try to do better next time, and like, I want to change for myself for the better so that our relationship can be better, why can't these people just realize that we could just fucking make it? They just want the fucking good times. They just want me if it's good. And I honestly don't want someone like that. I want someone who wants me through the good and the bad, despite my flaws. Because everybody has flaws and nobody can change overnight. But I feel like if you really work for the relationship, you can do it. I just want to meet someone who's gonna fucking spoil me. Not even spoil me, just treat me fucking good. I just want to find someone who's gonna put in the effort and makes me see that he's worth my time. Because I feel like most of the time, it's me hitting up the person first, or me planning out when to hang out. Why can't it be you saying, hey, I want to go with you to this event? Like, you're coming with me, or just asking me if I want to hang out. Like, why does it always have to be me asking? I feel like a lot of it is jumbled, and I don't know if I'm repeating myself, because I've been thinking about all this stuff for a couple weeks now, and I don't know how to get it out. Like, now that it's coming out, I feel like I don't have a lot to say, but up here it's like, I hope that made sense. I know I'm not the only one who thinks this way. I know I'm not the only hopeless romantic out there. Maybe I just need to find like a hopeless romantic guy. I don't want to force anything. Like, I want to go hella fucking slow. I want to truly get to know this person, their thought process, how they view the world, what they think about certain situations, how they would handle themselves in certain situations. I want to know their fears. I want to know what makes them tick. I want to know what makes them happy, what makes them giddy, what makes them sad. I want to know their childhood experiences, their most scary experiences, their most uncomfortable experience. I want to know everything about this person. I know he's not gonna be perfect, but he's gonna be perfect for me, because everybody has their flaws, right? I want the same back. I want someone to look at me and think, you know what, despite her flaws, despite all this shit that she does that I don't like, I still fuck with her. I still want her. I want to help her grow. I want to help her learn. Why does it seem like I always find the value in that? Like, why do I always seem like I find the value in arguments in a relationship? I feel like every time we argue, it's something new to learn. And my thing is, like, yeah, constant arguments about petty shit is not healthy, and I'm learning not to do that. But also feel like each argument that you go through is like, we survived this. I think that if you're just gonna think, like, what is the point of arguing and then talking about it and working through it, and you guys make up, and then, you know, a couple months later, and you guys have like all these arguments in between, and you're just gonna make it all build up in your head, and that's the reason you break up with someone. That just doesn't really make sense to me. It's like, what's the point of even working it out then? What was the point of all those arguments and like talking about it? Why not just break up after the first fight? That's kind of how I see it. I just want someone who's 100% about me. And I don't mean that as in like you'll drop all your friends and family and goals and ambitions. I just mean you can do all that and make me a priority in your life, you know? You can do all that and still find time to talk to me. You can still find time to hang out with me. You can just be a nice fucking person. Why is that so hard to find? It seems like I'm asking for too much, but I'm not. Like, I feel like I'm not. I feel like this shit is just expected in a relationship. Like, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, because am I just expecting too much? Do I just have all these high expectations? that crazy, or do you all feel the same way? So those are my thoughts about relationships nowadays. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you related to it at all, whatever. If you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell button so you'll be notified of all the new videos I post. But for now, stay caked, stay fierce, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!